and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. Of course, you guys already know, 30 days, natural hair. My hair is looking real full, so I'm about to try this style. If it fails, I'm still gonna post it because why? I like to be transparent and real on this channel. Like, if it fails, it fails. Oh well. So yeah, I've always wanted a fro hawk. Always wanted a fro hawk. When I was younger, I used to braid my hair into a mohawk because I love mohawks. So now that I have hair, I'm about to definitely try this fro hawk. So yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Keep coming back because all 30 days, not 10, not 20, but 30 days, I'm gonna be giving y'all this heat. Okay, love you guys. Okay, so first and foremost, I think the way I want it is 3 sections. 3. Yeah. I'm gonna try to make the front from ear to ear. We're just sectioning off at this moment. That's 1. 2 isn't gonna be that big. I want more out in the front. I think that's good enough. Yeah. So this is 2. This is 2. And this one's 3. Now what we're gonna do is take each section and brush it up. Brush it up. So I'm using my Eco girl. So just ecoing the sides and the foundation, not necessarily the sides. Like ecoing the back up. Wetting my brush because water and my hair are friends. Let's see. Let's just see. Right now, remember, we are experimenting. So, yeah. Now for the middle. Okay, we're doing a lot of something. Okay, now this part's gonna be tricky because I don't know if I want like the little bang piece or if I just want this. I think I need a little bang piece. Y'all think that's so? So okay, I'm about to part the bang, and yeah, we about to pray. Okay, so this piece we're gonna put to the side and work on our second, what should I say? Work on our last and third puff. Oh yeah, this is about to be fire. This is about to be fire! But okay, hold on. That's how I just did my edges off camera. Now we're about to slick this little last piece up and then focus on the bang. So taking my Eco Styler. So I'm feeling myself. Okay. So I'm gonna let these little puffy puffs be. Yeah. Me doing this hairstyle and not even thinking about it really made this process way easier. Okay, matter of fact, because the bang is irritating my soul, I'm about to bring the hump back, because I've been trying to do it for a minute. What am I trying to say? I've been wearing the hump, but I never like post content with it. But like, yeah, every time I have the bang and I don't feel like having the bang no more, I always glue it back, and it works. So that's what I'm about to do, because I feel like it will really flourish back there. So let me fix this baby hair. I definitely thought it was gonna be covered. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. I didn't even think about this. I think what I'm gonna do is put a rubber band at the tip, just so it's easier for me to grasp. Yeah, I need the rubber band to contain it, in a sense, just so I can put this bobby pin through it. Hey y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna fluff everything out. Oh my gosh, I love it! Okay, I've always wanted a curly faux hawk, and I got it. That is all. I am done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna put some lashes on, some earrings and stuff like that to complete the whole look. So I'll definitely show you guys that. But love you guys.